Hello, I'm going to install Skype for Business on my personal computer. I'm going to start by going to the hub. I just logged in a second ago using my hub login. I'm going to click over on Office 365. All right. I'm going to click on my account, Apps and Devices, Skype for Business. Yes, install Skype. That sounds great. Save file, Skype for Business. That looks okay. Let's run it. So far, so good. I'm just going to close this few more steps business. Please stay online while Office downloads. Great. I kind of want to do a speed test. Speed test aloe. That would be better. Ping looks good. Download speed looks good. It's a race. Yeah, not bad. Highly recommended. Ooh, almost there. If you thought this was boring, you could watch my outtakes from a previous attempt. My son helps me out, and his commentary is colorful. Come on, baby. There we go. You're all set. Office is installed now. Okay. Now we can potentially launch it. Skype for Business. Yes. So I just searched for Skype. Yeah, accept the license agreement. L. Pulowski at southeast.edu. Sign in. And what we're going to do is hit change. I think we might have to fail once to get the dialogue that we want. Sure. Oh, can't sign in to Skype for Business. Okay, now we can change this. Make it automatic. Come on, server. Yeah, okay, you can collect information. I would be okay with that. And it's almost there. I kind of want to do another speed test, but I'm sure it's fine. Come on, baby. So, we're almost there. This is a normal part of the experience. I've never installed Skype on this computer before, but I'm sure it'll work fine. Come on. I'm sure it's just doing some first time setup things. I'll just look to see where the bottleneck is. Is it in the computer? No. In theory, it's coming right up. Yeah, earlier I made the mistake of looking for Skype for Business in all apps, but really it was in my account in a special submenu called Apps and Devices. This is definitely a 64-bit Windows. I've installed the right one. I'm connected. Sometimes when we have a problem like this, we close it and open it back up. So I guess if this happens to you, we have to find the right process, terminate it. And then just try again. Come on. Hey, see, I might have had luck. I might have had luck had I just task killed it immediately after it went blank, because it came right up. Look how great that is. So anyway, I hope you guys will have a more streamlined experience, but don't forget, you're in Outlook, you go to My Account, see, the hub, Office 365, you're looking at your email, you look at My Account, you look at Apps and Devices, and there it is, your install for Skype for Business. Click through it, say yes, maybe restart it after you've logged in. Good luck, everyone. Good luck.